Max Bounty tutorial. In this Max Bounty tutorial I will explain how you get approved as a Max Bounty affiliate. I also will show you how Max Bounty works and the best offers to choose from. Now Max Bounty is a big, powerful and good platform when it comes to CPA offers. Now CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition, which means that the vendor decides what it pays its affiliate for. It can be for just get people to opt in a form, or they pay a certain percentage on a sale, for instance, and more. It could be for filling out the survey, or all different kind of stuff. But let's now head over to Max Bounty. So here we are at the web Max Bounty landing page, and here you click to become an affiliate for free. You can find a link to that below this video, and then you fill out a form. They have different questions, for instance, how you're gonna advertise the Max Bounty offers, how much money you're gonna spend on advertising. And although maybe if you have a limited budget, say anyway, maybe that you're gonna advertise for more than you can, that may sound a bit unlegit, but it increases your chances of getting approved. So the main thing is that you get approved and that you advertise, focused advertise, so they see the clicks coming in and so on. So maybe you can say that you're going to advertise for $100 a month or something like that. Anyway, to approve, you need to have a telephone call. They're going to call you up and ask you about these things, and the call maybe take 15 to 20 minutes, pretty fast. And they called me up pretty soon after I've applied, but if they don't do that in maybe a day or so, they call them back up. That way you can increase your chances also to get approved, because they see that you're really motivated and so, and then you speed up the process also to get approved as an affiliate. But anyway, let's now go into Max Bounty so I can show you some of good offers. So here is what it looks like in the back office, and this is a picture of my advisor at Max Bounty, and you will maybe get another one that you can contact for different advice on advertising and good offers and so on. And now talking about, you also get emails with updates and tips on good campaigns, and at your chosen email address. But let's now see how you can find a good offer. I would advise you to choose an offer where you get pay per lead, because that's the easiest way. Of course, you can go for percentage of a sale and focus on sales, but it's so easy to make money with if you have good traffic to an offer, if you get paid just for have them opt in. So that's the fastest way. With CPA, you can choose any offer, or you can choose dollar per lead. I'm going to choose dollar per lead, and here's the kind of traffic types that you want to search for. I will have them all checked, but you can choose how you want to do, and you can choose any category. So I'm going to choose all categories, but and you can choose mark this box, approved to run, bookmarked, and never promoted before, but I'm going to leave them as it is, and then we're going to do it like this. Okay, now here's a list of offers, sorry. So let's say we want to check this out. It's a trial offer. Ultra foreclosure trial offer. And here you see the different allowed traffic. They allow those that are a line over you cannot use. And it's important that you use only those that they approve. And when you hover over the different option of traffic, you can see what those means. And here's a tracking link builder where you can build a traffic link. And here we go, sorry. And here you see countries allowed. That doesn't mean that you have to live in United States, but they only pay you for traffic from United States for this offer. So, and here you have creative, different offer, different ones. Some have banners, some just have text links, and you can view banners here and Zulu email, HTML, email example that you can send out. And like I said, it's important that you don't break the rules for promoting. So don't promote a resource that they don't allow. That's important because they can shut down your right to promote that offer. So here you can also find a link to a Max Bounty blog, and here you find the rules for promoting and so on. And then we go to dashboard here. And here on top here, I haven't promoted for a while, but here you will see how much you have earned, and you can see how much you earn today, yesterday, and this month. So yes, so that is this. You can also earn commissions from referring other members to this platform, and you earn 5% of their sales for a year. You click on this image of a guy or a person, and then you go to refer an affiliate, and you can read all about how it works. So I hope you find these tips about Max Bounty and CPA offers useful. Make sure to subscribe to get access to more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.